Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the reel and line. Check that your spool tension and brakes are set low enough to let the lure fall slowly. You want 15-20 lb line tied with a secure knot. This prevents mid-cast breaks. Once done, hold the rod at a 45 degrees angle, thumb lightly on the spool. This direct contact is the only reliable way to control backlash. Make sure the lure weight matches the tension so it drops predictably when you begin the cast. You accelerate the rod using a smooth, compact forward stroke while the spool is free. You must open the spool with your thumb at release to let line flow. As the lure travels, apply progressive thumb pressure to modulate spool speed. This is how you stop an overrun before it starts. Once the lure slows near casting distance, close the spool by stopping thumb pressure and engaging the reel. This locks line and prevents wind knots. Keep your motions deliberate, not jerky, for consistent results. You finish every cast by trimming any slack and re-engaging the reel. That seats the knot and prepares you for the next cast. If a backlash happens, stop immediately, don't force retrieve. Instead, loosen the spool and pull line out slowly while untangling with fingers or pliers to avoid tightening knots. Make sure to practice short, controlled casts to refine spool tension and thumb timing. This repetition is why you'll quickly reduce backlashes and gain confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.